Okay, I just wanted to shoot a quick video showing my meal prepping for my salads for my lunch. This is pulled pork, and it has a mustard based barbecue sauce. I've not had that before. It tastes pretty good. You put cayenne pepper in it, yellow mustard, chicken stock, apple cider vinegar, whatever sweetener that you want, like stevia, Worcestershire sauce. Can't even really pronounce that. I think I said cayenne pepper, and then salt and pepper. And I use Himalayan salt, the coarse salt and pepper. And then this is the tuna salad, and it just basically has mayo in it. I did not make my own mayo. I will next week. I just didn't have time to do that today. And it has celery in it. And then I also put some brain octane in it for additional healthy fat. This is the chicken salad, same thing, pepper, salt, pepper, Himalayan salt, and celery. Normally I put egg in it, and I think I am going to boil an egg and put inside of like one in each one of these. So it basically makes it about one or two carbs. They call it almost zero carb, but by the time you put the egg in it, whether you're using egg white or if you put the celery in it, it's like one stalk of celery in each one. Those little decimal points of carbs all kind of add up to maybe one carb. Once I put that egg in there, it's going to increase that. If I don't, then of course it'll still be almost zero carb salad. So again, my pulled pork, which I will do with a lettuce wrap, probably same thing with the tuna. Or I will put it over top of my dressing, like some, I'll say dressing over top of my salad, like romaine. And then this is the chicken salad. And then I also made some crab salad. And the crab salad actually has the Himalayan salt, pepper, parsley flakes, celery seed, Old Bay seasoning inside of it. And that's the crab salad. So I actually have four things that I can go through. Three salads, and then my pulled pork with mustard barbecue sauce. Until next time, red carpet, baby.